What does a property developer actually do? Most people think of a property developer spends their days on a building site in a hard hat, pointing at things. Look, sometimes yes, but that's maybe 20% of the job. A property developer is essentially a project coordinator and decision maker. You're the person who holds the whole thing together, from the initial idea all the way through to the final sale. You don't build it. You make sure it gets built correctly, on budget, and on time. On any given week, a developer might be reviewing a feasibility study on a new site, meeting with a town planner about a DA, solving a problem the builder just called about, checking finance drawdowns, or negotiating with a real estate agent on the sales strategy. It's part analyst, part negotiator, part problem solver. Here's an example. Here's a real example. You're midway through construction and the builder calls. There's unexpected rock on the site. It's going to cost you $18,000 extra and add 3 weeks to the timeline. You've got 20 minutes to decide. Do you prove it, push back, or find another solution? That's the job. Not the actual building, but making the decision. And this is where people underestimate what's involved. It's not glamorous every day. It's managing people, managing risk, and staying calm when things don't go to plan. And they won't always go to plan. So, quick recap. What does a property developer actually do? They're a decision maker, a coordinator, a problem solver. The person who makes the project happen, not necessarily the person swinging the hammer. But here's the part that no one really talks about. It's not the job itself that catches people out. It's what happens when things don't go to plan and you haven't got a buffer to handle it. Up next, what is a contingency budget and why is it so important? Until next time, take care.